We're going 40 laps of racing off corner number 4. Green is out, green and go. Between 3rd and the 18 of Gavin Ray. TJ Roberts, who started on the outside of the front row, falls into 5th position, just in front of Johnny Spilantro in the 77, and Derek Burns in the 44B. But all the action is up front as now Emilio Thompson bypasses the 38, brings the 25 of Giannini with him. And much pressure from the 38 of Gaffarini. Oh, we got caution. Caution now on the speedway. That's why they call it racing. Looking for the green. Green is out, green and go. And Gaffarini's gamble almost pays off. 25 car looking inside into turn 3, looking for the race lead coming up off the corner. They'll drag race back to the stripe. Giannini inside as the preferred line. Gaffarini is eyeballing the backside of the 25 car. Caution out on the speedway. Stop breathing because you might be ingested. See if Scott Gaffarini's gamble pays off for him this time. But we are green again, green and go. Battle for 5th on the speedway. Everybody's still tracking the 25 car. Emilio giving a little look to the inside coming up off corner 4. Goes in to challenge for the lead. Maybe a little bump and go off of turn 2. Drag race to the 3rd turn. Thompson drives it deep into the corner. Jerry Giannini going to try to cross him over, but Thompson a little bit loose in turn 2. Opens up the inside for the 25 of Jerry Giannini, and now the 2 cars making contact in the corner. Save a little prayer there for Colton Ray. Colton nearly getting tagged. Jerry Giannini working into that 3rd turn, coming up off turn number 4. Jerry Giannini is going to win the first of 2 in history. But, pace car pulls into the infield. We'll race again. This is 12 laps. These are children, for heaven's sakes. Children driving race cars here at the Bullring. Up front already a challenge and a change as Wyatt Lane takes the point here on lap number 1. Peyton she ran 2nd last night, and she on the 71 of Mason Collado. So moved Collado back to 3rd, but like I said, he 3 the podium for Bandolero cars. 1, 2, and Robbie Hewitt, Sam Jackson, row 1. Bill Paddock, Don Leary, row 2. Mike McKern and Colton Ray in row 3. 6 cars. Make it 5. He's got a couple of pins, hood pins laying around. Oh, trouble in turn 2. Trouble in turn 2. Watch out, Mike McKern. Olay. Oh, my heavens. Furled green flag is displayed. We are green and go. And the 20-lap Superstock feature is in 12. RPMs are up, green is out, green and go. And these kids are racing. And so, again, the 17 car is Las Vegas' Ashton Leonard. Ashton, a legend car driver in previous seasons, now moving up into the full body stock car. Ashton showed up as a youngster, and then now he's pretty tall. So you'll get to see him if he can hang on for a few more laps. And 15 laps is the distance. It was supposed to be 30. If there had been 6 cars, they would have got 30 laps. But 15 is plenty for 3 cars. 12. Brody's going to give him a little tap there into third turn. Couldn't rattle Colton Ray. Colton Ray is unrattleable. And the green is out. Green and go.
That early entry underneath Williams there, coming out of 2. Got him clear.
Watch that battle into turn number 1.
There's a little room there.
Yeah, Sammy just kind of opened up the inside. He was under no illusions that Doug wasn't back.
Jumping down to the bottom a little bit sooner.
Well, he's going to run out of laps because the checkered flag is flying, and it's flying for Kyle Jackson. And Saratoga Springs, Utah's 14K. Pace car dives into the infield. We race under the green flag. M&H Building Specialist, JBM Underground Legend Cars.
And it looks like Chase Williams also is making a move. Bruce Silver there. Bruce Silver in that 53. So the reason why that car is all white, that is the springs on it, side by side going into 1 and 2 there. He's going to go ahead and make his way down. It does look like the 20. The whole second row kind of left that gap open. He went from 4th place to twitchier.
Twitchier.
Than the larger cars, but longer wheelbase, right?
Okay, so here goes the 88.
25, you're right.
Cody Brown on the move. Cody Brown's he's like a boa constrictor. Not get in front of you.
Making that move. He's underneath them there. But then look for the crossover, right? Pressure, right? He's applying that pressure. He's not going to get him, but hey, he's there, right?
She is missed. I'm sure. These guys.
Look at Justin Cicchini. He hasn't been in a car in 20 years.
Justin feeling a little frisky out in front.
Well, yeah, it started to walk away on him coming out of 2 there. So the dad's out front.
Dad is out front.
Son's in the rear.
Son's in the rear.
And we got a spin out. There we go. Rob P. and Pete Meyer.
Oh, Pete Meyer. Rob P. having trouble.
Rob P.
Flag man in our rear view mirror as we head to turn number 1. We'll keep our fingers crossed because right now, Nick Nuccitelli's almost half a lap in front of 2nd place. And Vinny Rauchi was able to he kept on going.
He lost 1 position.
And that's what the folks are going to talk about. Nick Nuccitelli, man, coming up off that 4th corner. Green is out, green and go.
That was a good jump on the 14. 14 car had a good jump. Looked like the 44 on the outside. We do have spin. You're right.
It was on the rear end of the 5 of Steve Anderson. Anderson's going to get highlined back into turn number 1. But, so the top 3 stretched out the length of the front stretch as we've got trouble in the 4th turn. The loss of Micah Body, the defending champion. The 18 car. They're side by side in turn 1. In his press release, because this was a well-raced race for that driver right there. He did not make any mistakes in this race. Let's go racing! not go unpunished next week, but Ben Williams, he takes the checkered flag here in race number 1 for Skidplate cars. Skidplate feature number 1 goes to the defending series champion driver of